Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change the phone number linked to Zelle in the Chase mobile app. To get started, open the Chase app and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, tap the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Next, go to My Settings. From the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Phone and tap on it. Here, you can update or change the phone number associated with your Chase account. After entering the new phone number, follow the on-screen steps to verify it, usually by entering a one-time code sent to the new number. Once the phone number is updated in your Chase settings, it will also update the phone number used for Zelle payments through Chase. To double-check, go to the Zelle or Chase Quick Pay section in the app and confirm that the new phone number is listed as your contact method. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you change your Chase Zelle phone number, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.